What's up everyone? Welcome to RC Design Build. I'm in my hobby shop the other day and I've seen this a couple of times on the bottom shelf, just walked right by it every time. Don't know why it drew my attention this particular day, but I went ahead and decided I was gonna look a little closer at it, and let's start with that. So it was on a 50% off sale, normally $79 down to $39, and I've already looked online. These aren't very expensive vehicles anyways. So if we look at what that says, it actually says it either has a loose motor or transmission issue. Very interesting. Before I even bought it, I decided I wanted to take a look and see right... Where's it at? Powerful, right there, sorry. Powerful 180 motor. And I know that particular motor is also used in the TRX-4Ms. I have a spare one right now. So if the issue does lie in the motor, I have one ready to go. But what I want to find out is, can I fix it? Can I fix this broken RC I bought? Let's find out. Get it unboxed. Super glad y'all are here. Don't forget to throw a like or a subscribe if you don't mind. Or subscribe. Also, guys, I love reading everyone's comments and giving a chance to communicate back and forth. It's always a fun and exciting time for me. So glad y'all are here. Let's get into this 6x6. All right, so it's already open on both of these ends. We'll just get it out. Oh, it looks like I'm upside down too. We have a plastic bag with the WPL as well as some stickers there. It looks like we have a charging cord, some leaf springs. Oh wow, interesting. This thing has leaf springs. Most certainly does. Interesting. So we got some leaf springs under there. And we are gonna need 2 AA's. All right, got our batteries in there. Let's get our cover back on. And there's our battery. I had a feeling it was under here. I could hear something rattling around. All right, let's turn it on, see what's going on with it. Okay. Steady those are, so let's listen. Oh. Let's turn this back off. Okay, so yes, we do have a loose motor. Holy cow. Where was that supposed to be? Inside of there? Alright, so we have a loose motor. I think that's very fixable. Let's see. How would we go about fixing this? Need to access in here. So we have there. If I take the bed off, I think I'll be alright. Alright, let's see. There we go. Drop the bed. Drop the back in. We have access to see this motor a lot better. And let's see how this happened. Careful with the resistors on the back end. Oh yeah, did it go? Okay. So if you bust that resistor, you're in for a long night. What it looks like happened here, it's kind of odd. It's like the motor itself came unscrewed. This thing is so cheap everywhere. like plastic. I mean, the drive shafts are metal, don't misunderstand that. But that's about the only thing. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll work. Let's do that. Okay, so before I do anything else, let's just turn it on. I mean, yeah, in the most rudimentary ways it operates. I feel like it's gonna stay in there. It does. All right, so let's go here. Voila! All fixed.